is the scariest experiment in the world. Meet the demon core. With a name like this, you know it's going to be good. This unsuspecting little ball has a subcritical mass of plutonium surrounded by beryllium. What that means is it's a nuke. This particular core was created under the Manhattan Project, and originally it was intended to be the third nuclear weapon used on Japan. Thankfully, it was never deployed, but that doesn't mean it didn't kill anyone. To test these cores and the subcritical masses, scientists would perform a technique now known as tickling the dragon. It involved lowering that top hemisphere of beryllium onto the plutonium core, but never allowing them to touch. If they did, it could start the chain reaction, which is the beginning of a nuclear weapon. Incredibly dangerous. A scientist named Louis Sultan was famous for tickling the dragon with just a screwdriver between him and total chaos. Only the screwdriver was keeping the two hemispheres apart, and in one of these demonstrations, the screwdriver slipped, meaning the core and the surrounds touched and that chain reaction began. This happened on May 21st in 1946. As soon as those two layers touched, a massive amount of neutron radiation was released. And Lewis himself even reported seeing that bright blue flash of the neutron release. Thankfully, he was able to split the two apart within just a couple of seconds before absolute mayhem unraveled, but it did not leave him unharmed. He received a lethal dose of radiation and died just 9 days later. And that is why this